what's happening?
Hey, what's happening? So today we are here at Solvang. It is a Danish style architecture community. It's a beautiful town and I'm excited to explore. Even the subway looks Danish. Look at the googly eyes. Look, they have a little farmer's market. What'd you get? I got a gluten-free strawberry. Oh, it's ready. And I found this nice fur coat from the gift shop. And it's from Italy.
This one.
Oh my god. That is so funny. Oh my god.
You want this one?
Oh wait, there's a titty one.
Titty one it is. And it says Solvang right there.
Nice.
Nice.
We like to collect shot glasses from the places that we visited. And we found this as seen on TV place. It's so cool, all these inventions. Oh my god, pigs in a blanket. And then you said to make these and actually put the pigs in the blanket.
And then go to sleep with them.
That's so funny. I want to get this one, look. The claw.
Are you?
Yeah.
Okay.
But we have to go back to the car and carry it.
Okay. Whatever. Of a what?
Vagina. Just kidding.
Here.
We can hold it. Here I am. Look what I found.
Oh no.
We should have bought one of these. What?
Why are you auto?
These are.
Okay.
Can we? Oh my god, these are hilarious.
Fish are friend, not food.
Slither and slide. Can I look you out?
I like them big. Okay, let's go.
Can we buy it? Who let the dogs out?
You get a dog one? What?
Let me lick you, baby.
Oh, hey. How's it going?
It's the Kilkenny red on the top and it's cascading like a Guinness. And so once all that turns red, then you can drink it. And it's going to get more appley as you go.
Oh my gosh. Take a bite.
Shepherd's pie is made out of mashed potatoes instead of like pie crust. So when he said there was no mashed potatoes, I'm like, how are you going to have shepherd's pie? A chicken pot pie is with pie dough.
And chicken. What is it, beef?
It's gonna be really good.
I could taste the Parmesan.
Well, it's because it's on top.
Ooh, there's peas in here too. Look at that.
It tastes exactly like mealy, just like no potatoes.
That's pretty.
I'm gonna take off the Parmesan though, I think it's too much. I know, putting it on one side. Your side.
It's like ganaling, but in a more beautiful formation. After we ate, we heard some bells. You could hear it around the town. It's so cool.
Now make it drop. That's a wop. That's on wet ass.
I found the pie. Yummy apple pie. Whoa, it's so like gooey. Wow. I wish I had a spoon, but very cinnamony. The apple looks like peach. Gluten-free, but it's crumbly. JORI MEZUDA.